Here's your latest update for the ongoing and upcoming winter storm across the area. Did add one zone to the watches and advisories over here across southern Johnson County, includes KC and I-25. Everything else pretty much the same as what we had yesterday, Casper, Jeffrey City, down toward I-80, Rock Springs, Green River, over toward Kemmerer. You want start and end times, weather.com/RW, go to our website, a lot of different ones there. So timing out the individual timing here. The snow spread west to east across the southern zones this morning. I already had some snow in Kemmerer as I taped this about 5:30 in the morning. And I-80, pretty much all the areas should be snowing by about 11 o'clock or noon. Heaviest snow will be this afternoon through this evening, but there will be some impacts after that as well, since the wind will come up across there, especially east of Rock Springs, so it'll blow and drift that snow around. So it'll be kind of a powdery snow. Now Casper and further north, you'll be okay through the morning hours, and I think even throughout most of the afternoon hours. It's really going to start deteriorating there probably after sunset, but the heaviest snow tonight through about early Friday morning after that start time. So timing out the impact types. Slick snow covered roads, good chance of this across anywhere it's going to snow. It's December. Sun angle is really low this time of year, especially at night, so high impact there. Can't predict any road closures though, that's YDOT's job, not mine. Blowing snow. Further north, not a lot of wind with this, so just a medium there. It is a dry powdery snow, so there will be some drifting, but not as bad as we've seen with other storms. Good chance of that though across Sweetwater County, especially eastern Sweetwater County. As the storm moves out, there will be some winds developing. They'll drift it across I-80, so could be very hazardous driving conditions anytime tonight. And cold temperatures, not the coldest air we see in the world. Lows will be in the teens tonight with a little bit of wind, but this is Wyoming. We've seen a lot colder. I'm just calling that medium, maybe even low if you're really hardy. So some probabilistic stuff. This is about a 90% chance of seeing the snow here. I think at least 2 inches in Rock Springs, Wamsutter, or at least 3 inches around Casper, about 1 inch in KC. Now, I want you to note one thing. There has been a little bit of a trend here, but the model's still disagreeing. In this area, basically Worland, Thermopolis, over here toward the Wind River Basin, Riverton, Lander. They could get nothing, or if we go to the probable worst case scenario, small chance of getting more than this here, but it's the 90th percentile, so a pretty good chance this will be the maximum amounts. About 4 inches in Rock Springs, 5 around Wamsutter. Heaviest amounts there staying south of I-80. 6 and maybe even go 7 or 8 inches if you live closer to Casper Mountain. Around the Casper area, maybe up to a foot on the higher elevations. Around 3 inches in KC. Now look here. A couple of miles actually take some moisture from the low and wrap it around here and bring it all the way back even in towards, say, Kinnear, Lander, Riverton. It could be 2 inches there, could be 0. So a lot of uncertainty here, but it doesn't look like a big storm here. Maybe an inch up in this area as well. So our official forecast for what we have kind of placed in the middle there. You can see inch or 2, maybe 3 around Kemmerer, about 3 to 4 along the I-80 corridor, 4 to 6 around Casper, more as you head toward Casper Mountain, obviously though. Calling for a little bit of snow now, Thermopolis, Riverton, down toward Lander, but should be light amounts there. 2 to 4 around KC, then lighter amounts as you head up toward Buffalo in that vicinity. Here's our resources for weather. There's our website, weather.gov/RIW. You want road conditions? I'll say this again, don't call us for road conditions. Go to these guys right from the source. On the web, wyoroad.info. You want to call them on the phone? 511 in-state, out-of-state, 1-888-WYO-ROAD. You want to take a look at those road conditions for yourself? Just go to our webcams page all over the state. Great source there. And I want to add, if you're traveling onto the east, down towards Cheyenne, Douglas, in that area, they look like they're going to get the bulk of the storm, so you may want to hold off on that. And it'll be continuing through Friday there as well. Go to our webpage, local programs, and click on webcams by route. Be safe, everybody. Have a good day.